If you want to turn speech to text on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down and search for Accessibility. Next, in Accessibility, we're gonna go to Hearing Enhancements, and then you can find the Live Transcribe option. In here, we can open the Live Transcribe feature. We need to grant the permission to let the app use the microphone, and now whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text over here. And of course, besides that, we should be able to, for example, use the transcription history if you need it. You can also tap on the setting at the bottom of the screen in order to, for example, find some other settings that you might want to use. You can also set up offline transcriptions, of course, so be sure to check that out whenever you need to. Also, you can just press and hold your finger to select a text, or you can double tap actually, in case pressing and holding doesn't work. You can try to double tap to select a text, and of course you should be able to copy it in case that's what you need. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.